Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Before starting today's session, I would want to thank you all. Why? Because last week I have checked your books, your notebooks, your worksheets, and I'm very happy, very happy. Because I understand कि जैसे मैंने पेरेंट्स के आपके मम्मी पापा से बात हुई है, पेरेंट्स आर टॉकिंग, you are having complications in writing, there are things जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही है. बावजूद इसके that we are not, me and you are not having a daily contact. I mean, we don't meet on a regular basis except this virtual screen. You all have tried to maintain the book properly. थोड़ा incomplete है, but that is fine. That is any day fine. If you want any help from me, if you need any help from me, please give me a call or WhatsApp me. आपके पास जो भी videos available नहीं होंगे या जो भी writings available नहीं होंगे, I'll be sending it to you. So don't worry about that, right? But here is a big thank you to all of you, and convey my thank you to your parents also. Why? Because they have guided you. See, children, I got a complaint from most of the parents. It is not a complaint actually, it is some serious issue. They are telling that you are not watching the videos of the explanation part. See, अब तक क्या था, अब तक we were having that dilemma in our mind कि हो जाएगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. अभी हाल में ही last week again there was a news that possibly the school will reopen in October, right? So मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ it is hard for you as well, it is hard for us, it is hard for you as well, but then please bear with your parents. थोड़ा सा जितना भी हो सके आप एक बार वीडियोस देखिए. if you don't understand anything, call up the teachers, take guidance from there कि हम कैसे काम कर सकते हैं. so it will help you out, right? बाकी फिर अगर आप ये सोच के बैठे हो कि जब स्कूल खुलेगा तब हम will work and do, that won't work. So better you start revising, start at least watch the videos, right? And try to complete the work, the written portion. Clear? Talking about English, many of the books are complete, some of the books are incomplete. That is fine, that is perfectly fine. Try to complete it. There was particularly worksheet third letter, mostly have not written. So today with this video recording, I'll be sending you the answer key for that third letter, so that in case जिसने नहीं लिखा, जिन्होंने लिखा है then that is fine, जिन्होंने नहीं लिखा है can copy it from that, right? It was homework, so I was like, I think that image was not being sent properly, so I'll give it, I'll send it back again. So copy it from there, or else you can write by yourself, but make sure that you are working, you are watching the videos. आप गेम कैसे 1 घंटा खेल सकते हो, Minecraft and PUBG and Military and all, right? So that आप यही समझो that you are doing the same with the studies. Clear? So if you have any doubt in English, don't hesitate to give me a call. Hopefully we will meet soon. Clear? Till then we will be having this interaction during these our video lessons. Chalo, so without wasting time, let us move to the poem number 5, that is How Doth the Little Crocodile Is. It is on page number 79. Now the heading of the poem says how doth, D-O-T-H, how doth the little crocodile. Now doth is actually, in old English, doth is the third form of do, right? And in the modern English, अभी की अगर हम बात करें तो it is used for describing the word which you have done. So this poem, I'll give you a brief explanation about the poem. फिर line wise, it's a very small poem और बहुत easily समझ जाओगे. How doth the little crocodile is. There is the poet's name is Lewis Carroll. What's his name? Lewis Carroll. Now the poet has written the poem so beautifully that the poem explains about the proud that a crocodile figures when it is bathing in the water. Crocodile जब पानी में होती है और अपनी ही scales पे, scale you know, not the lining one, the upper layer of the back of the crocodile, उसमें ऐसे waves आते हैं, they are known as scales. Yes, you have studied last year, remember, 3rd standard में science में पढ़ाया था डिम्पल मैम ने. राइट. सो दिस लिटिल क्रोकोडाइल इज़ वेरी प्राउड. जब वो अपने ऊपर पानी डालती है तो उसका बॉडी पूरा शाइन करने लगता है. सो इट फील्स दैट आई एम वेरी अट्रैक्टिव टूवर्ड्स इट्स प्रे. प्रे माने PREY, प्रे. टूवर्ड्स इट्स हंटिंग, मान जो उसका शिकार है वो उसकी तरफ हंट हो जाता है, उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है. एंड दिस पोएम इज रिटन जस्ट टू हैव दैट फील दैट द फीलिंग ऑफ द क्रोकोडाइल, द लिटिल क्रोकोडाइल. चलिए, लेट अस रीड द पोएम. पेज नंबर 79. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the waters of the Nile on every golden scale. Now what the crocodile is doing, it is pouring the water. What is pouring? Pouring. Glass में से pour करते पानी, right? So pouring, it's pouring the waters of Nile. What the Nile is the river. Nile is the name of the river. So pouring the water of the Niles on every golden scales. उनकी पूरी बैक में जो जितनी भी scales हैं उसके ऊपर this crocodile is pouring water and it improves its shining tail. उसकी जो tail है it starts shining, it golden. Why? Because पानी से पूरा जो मैल है वो निकल जाता है. How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes the little fish very gently smiling jaws. Right? The poem is explaining more about the crocodile. कि वो क्या करती है. How cheerfully he seems to grin. You can see the picture. The crocodile is smiling. तो उसके जो सारे नोकीले दांत है वो दिखते हैं. It grins. So green is a synonym of smile. How neatly spreads his claws. Right? Claws उसके उसके नाखून है वो फैलाती हैं. And welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. राइट. और फिर वो शिकार करने जा रही है अपने फिशेस का. एंड शी इज ट्राइंग टू ग्रैब दिस ऑल प्रे एंड इट इज स्माइलिंग. राइट. सो लेट अस रीड द पोएम अगेन. हाउ डॉथ द लिटिल क्रोकोडाइल improve his shining tail and pour the waters of the Nile on every golden scale. How cheerfully he seems to grin, how neatly spreads his claws and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Right? Written by Lewis Carroll. Who is the poet? Lewis Carroll. Chalo. Now this was the explanation of poem. Coming to today's homework, it would be question number 2 on page 79. Right? There are only true and false. आप सीधा इसमें कर सकते हैं. This is probably the last poem of chapter number of term 1. So tomorrow we'll be doing some activities from the textbook. Right? So don't forget to do the homework. Today's homework is question number 2 of page 79. Clear? Till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.